Hi everyone, welcome back to Box's YouTube channel where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be reviewing the ASUS ROG ZEPHYRUS G15. Today we're testing out the Moonlight White version, but it also comes in an Eclipse Grey. The design is pretty cool, it has a dot matrix and as you turn it, it has a subtle glimmering prism effect. The build quality feels really sturdy and the materials feel of a premium standard. The metal chassis is strong but also surprisingly lightweight at just 1.9 kilos, making this a really portable gaming laptop. The hinge folds back 180 degrees and has the Ergolift, which made viewing and typing a lot more comfortable. In general, typing is pretty easy on this keyboard. The keys feel nice and they're spaced out to make touch typing really easy, and it has a white backlight for gaming at night time. The glass trackpad felt nice and was accurate and responsive. It also has a fingerprint scanner which makes logging in faster and easier, as well as offering increased security when you're out and about. In terms of ports, we have the charge port, HDMI, RJ45, USB port, 2 USB-C ports and an audio jack. On the other side we have a Kensington lock slot, micro SD card and USB port. This 15.6 inch screen gave a decent amount of screen space and it's also Quad HD, so it gave really sharp visuals on a range of content from new movies to nature shows. The IPS panel gave vibrant and accurate colours as it covers 100% of the DCI-P3 spectrum and is Pantone validated. The colours were accurate from a range of viewing angles too, as it had barely any colour distortion. Now let's get into the gaming specs. This laptop has a refresh rate of 165Hz and a response time of just 3 milliseconds grey to grey, which gave me smooth and sharp gaming as I didn't experience any stutter or blur. This also helped to give a competitive advantage on games such as first-person shooters as it improved precision. It also has adaptive sync which helped to reduce stuttering and tearing. The graphics card on this is the brand new Nvidia Graphics GeForce RTX 3080, which offers ridiculously realistic ray tracing and AI features such as DLSS AI rendering, which can boost frame rates, as well as AI acceleration in creative apps. In terms of processors, we have the AMD Ryzen 9 5900HS, which is perfect for gaming laptops. It has 8 cores, low latency, excellent performance and efficiency, and it can be overclocked. This gaming laptop has 5 settings, which are Windows, Silent, Performance, Turbo, and Manual. These preset modes are just a range of settings from cooling to GPU performance to give you the optimum settings for what you need. This laptop also has a whopping 32GB of RAM and could handle a range of multitasking, including 4K video editing and a range of games. This makes it perfect for those who like to stream whilst gaming or watch gameplay run through simultaneously. With a 1TB SSD, I didn't have to worry about running out of fast onboard storage, as I could save a bunch of large files from games to 4K videos and much more on the internal SSD, and I had loads of space left. The battery life on this was brilliant, with moderate gaming, some media streaming and web browsing, and it lasted over 10 hours thanks to its 90-watt battery. This makes it perfect for taking on the go all day without having to worry too much about charge. However, on longer trips where you might need to charge it up, luckily this has fast charging, which can charge 50% in 30 minutes, so it can be powered up and ready to go for whenever you need it. The audio on this laptop really impressed me, as it has Dolby Atmos technology and 6 speakers altogether that are made up of 2 tweeters that face forward, and then there's force cancelling woofers under the palm rests. This gave incredibly clear and loud audio, making it perfect for watching movies on. It also gave really clear audio thanks to its 2-way AI noise cancellation, which actually works brilliantly at removing unwanted background noises. The audio for this video was recorded on the laptop, and you can hear how clear and sharp it is. Or if you want to pick up a wide soundscape, you can use the 3D mic array, which picks up sound from a range of directions. The ASUS is Wi-Fi 6 certified, which can increase efficiency and reliability on crowded networks, making it perfect for a busy library or coffee shops. On top of this, it offers lower latency for reduced game lag, or if you wanted even lower latency when multiplayer gaming, it has a built-in RJ45 to complement the Wi-Fi. The fans on this laptop were really quiet, and it worked well at keeping really cool even when under heavier workloads, thanks to its liquid metal thermal compound that that pulls heat away from the components. It also has a self-cleaning thermal module that clears out dust for you to improve overall stability. Overall, this is a really impressive gaming laptop. From its compact and portable design to brilliant graphics card and processor, gaming specs such as refresh rates and response times, and awesome added features such as Dolby Atmos and Wi-Fi 6. What do you guys think of this laptop? Make sure to let us know in the comments below, and if you have any questions, pop them down and we'll be happy to get back to you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.